children, you already know what is noun. You also know what is common noun and what is proper noun. You have given a number of examples in the chat box. Okay, this makes me sure that you all are aware about the common and proper noun in a well way. Now, next is the collective noun. Now, the refer to the group of people, animal, or things. Okay, refer to the people, animal, or a group of people, animal, and thing. For example, bunch of grapes. Now, an audience. Now, flock of sheep. So these are the example of what? These are the example of collective noun. It shows the group. Okay, it shows the group of people all together. Fine. Now the next type of noun is our main topic, that is abstract noun. Okay, children, now pay attention over here. This is the very important and new topic to you all. You are not aware about it. आपने इसका नाम भी सुना होगा, पता नहीं. But let's start with this topic. Abstract noun are the noun that names the ideas, feeling, qualities, and the concept that cannot be touched, seen, heard, or taste or smell. Abstract means what? Word meaning abstract means we are not able to see or touch. This type of things are known as abstract. Now, abstract is the word which tell us that which cannot we just feel it, but we cannot touch it and we cannot see it. ना तो हमें दिखाई देती, ना तो वो हमें हम उसे छू सकते हैं, but what we can do, we can feel it. So it is related to our feeling, our emotions. So cannot be touched, cannot be seen, cannot be heard or taste or smell. Okay, so this type of noun are known as this type of word which are not related to the touch, seen, heard, or the smell or taste. So this type of known as what? Abstract noun. Example: friendship. Can you touch the friendship? Can you just hear this friendship? Can you see this friendship? No. What you can do? You can feel the friendship, that when somebody help you in all situation, or when your friend play with you and you feel love towards him or her. So this is a, we can say, friendship. Okay, kindness, when you help other, when you see that somebody is facing problem and you try to help them out, so it's a kindness. You can say that kindness is a type of feeling. Now, strength, when you feel like you are very we can say that you are not at all feared of a difficult situation, you're having the strength and you are very brave. So these are the examples of abstract noun. So children, somebody was asking me, teacher, can we write? Yes, you can write this because it is very important to note the things. Okay, so student, please write in the notebook about the abstract noun. Abstract nouns that names and ideas, feeling, qualities, and the concept that cannot be touch, seen, heard, taste, or smell. Okay, now here I will wait for 1 minute. Do one thing, start writing, write the examples also. Okay, now student, we will move towards the next. That the some types of abstract noun. Let us know the meanings. Okay, some types of abstract nouns are curiosity, that is the idea or the concept. Happiness is a feeling. Bravery is a quality. So these are the three examples, like curiosity, happiness, and bravery. Now some examples of abstract nouns are, here you can do one thing. Okay, take the screenshot. We'll wait here for 1 minute. So children, curiosity, like sometime when you get excited towards something, or some of the other, like your birthday, and then to perform a new thing. So you can say that is curiosity. Happiness is a kind of feeling. Okay, that is why this is known as abstract noun, because you cannot touch, feel, test it. Okay. Now bravery is the type of feeling. So feelings are mostly comes under the abstract noun. See that if you want to write, it will take the time. If you have good speed, write it down. Okay, children, teacher will wait here for 1 minute, and then I will proceed for the next example, which is there the downside, like the example of kindness, obedience, brotherhood, strength. Okay, these are the example. You want the introduction? That means the last slide you want. If you wish to write Prathamesh, you can. Okay, done. Prapti Achan, good. Good. Good, Aditya. Good, Adarsh. Okay. So let's see some examples of abstract noun, and then we will move towards the one of the rhyme. Somebody was asking me about the rhyming word. Okay, we'll give you. Wait a minute. Children, these are the some examples of abstract noun. I hope the concept of abstract noun is clear to you, that the kindness, obedience, brotherhood, strength, marriage, motherhood, freedom, pleasure, childhood, bravery, knowledge, slavery, wisdom, thought, friendship. These are the examples of abstract noun. Okay. So if you want to write down the sum of the meaning, and okay, just take the screenshot of it. Examples of abstract noun. So if in the oral examination teacher asks you, give me some examples of abstract noun, that time always keep in mind the thing which you cannot touch, you cannot taste, you cannot hear. Okay, so these are the comes under the abstract noun. Feeling one, like the kindness feeling, strength is a kind of feeling, freedom. Okay, bravery is a quality, knowledge is a quality. Okay, so these are the examples of abstract noun. Swaranjali, unmute yourself.
टीचर
Yes, Swaranjali.
टीचर इसके पीछे का पेज दिखाओ ना.
इसके पीछे का पेज आपको देखना है. ये आपने देख लिया. Children, are you done with this page?
टीचर I take screenshot of this page.
Okay, good. Some students are writing. Please wait a minute, Swaranjali. Once they are done, I am going to show you the last page.
Okay टीचर.
Okay.
Yari.
Mute yourself. Once you are done with this, children, kindly type R in the chat box. Sakshi Mahajan, Slok, Mehak, Ananya, Nihal. Okay, Wasim. Okay. Wasim is still writing. Wasim, write properly. No problem. Teacher will wait here. Only 1 minute is remaining for this lecture. But still,